Happy New Year! So actually this year, this is a season where we are going through a renewal when it comes to Red String Video Co. And that is something that we've always wanted to do. Recently on social media, you have actually heard about this person who sells cloth and is supporting his family, right? So in reality, running a business is tough.
When we approached Mr. Yong, he kept saying thank you and that he's very appreciative and he felt overwhelmed. Also, he had to close his shop for a while to sort out the towels because it was very messy.
And I came here because I received the message yesterday and I find that so many people come to support and we can't cope with the stress.
I think all along the way, if you see the things that I've been producing, there was a series that I was actually recording about entrepreneurship, the journey, about the business, the hustle. You know that it's something that really matters a lot to me, and something I really feel for because as a business owner, being through this whole journey of 2 years, cannot really.
So just a quick interjection here, right? We obviously cannot carry on watching because we faced a lot of problems when we were trying to climb up the stairs. Basically, we ran out of steam for that scene over there.
John is very tired. He was holding this for 3 minutes.
Just a quick one, because we were actually just testing out the Crane Tree Lab that we just recently received from Ziyun. And we were thinking of being a bit over-ambitious and tried to combine a video review of the Crane Tree Lab as well as doing this video at the same time. And obviously it didn't turn out that great. If you want to see more of the bloopers and in fact the entire reel, we actually do a quick edit of the entire reel and what we went through. You will find the link below. Otherwise, let's continue from where we left off in that video where we were struggling. Because of that article, we were able to see such overwhelming support and thus making ends meet for him for the next couple of months. Faith in humanity restored and faith in Singaporeans restored, right? But on top of that, I thought, end of the day, we actually have a lot of these kind of stories. And like I said, it has always been what I like, right? I like to share behind the scenes stories of what we go through as small business owners. We are launching this series called Threads, where we will be interviewing small business owners to figure out their story and to help them to package it into a video. One of the things we face in our line of work is that I want a piece of content that's true to the brand. So typically for a video producer, we do not think so much. We do not go that far into helping businesses understand themselves. You have brand experts that do that, you have marketers that do that. So I think for Red String Video Co., because we work hand in hand with marketers as well as brand experts, we are able to add another layer of service on top of just pure video production. In fact, we have shared some stories where we have actually advised clients to scale down on the production because we felt that what they were producing may not make sense for their business, bottom line. So end of the day, I think that is what we add to what we are providing for our customers, for our clients. And we want to share a little bit of the process. But because most of the time we are not able to share what our clients are doing due to privacy reasons, due to secrecy, because there are some products that they are launching, and then obviously we sign NDAs and all that stuff, right? So we were always wondering, how are we going to talk about what we do? How are we going to show behind the scenes the kind of process that we go through? And then so we came up with this answer because of the story that I mentioned about. I think it inspired us to move towards this direction, which is to provide very highly subsidized, or shall we say that we are actually sponsoring video production for small business owners, especially small business owners who are I won't say struggling, but small business owners who need a little bit of help, who may not have thought of their brands this way, who may not have thought that videos might help in their business. And we hope to come in and provide some help. And then, of course, with them allowing us to film the entire process. So we will be making like small little documentaries about their stories, as well as the process, the thinking process that the team goes through to come up with stories that are unique to them. So that's it. I think we'll be launching this series sometime in March. If all things go well, I think we might have 1 or 2 more businesses to talk to. And meantime, if you see this, if you happen to think of a business owner who might need help this way, do feel free to comment and look for us directly, DM or find us on social media, and then we will be sure to talk to them and then figure out whether our directions are aligned and whether we can work together. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. This is Viking from Red String Video Co.